Everyone, I want to respond to one or two questions in this video regarding the X365.ai. Somebody called me today and he made a comment on my YouTube channel and he said, how can he sell his X365.ai tokens? And I told him that X365 is yet to list, so all you can be doing now is to mine and to take part in the airdrop, and if he has money to buy some of the tokens, and which they say is going to be 100 times more expensive when they list. He now asked me that how can he mine? So I will just show you how you can mine in this video quickly. This is my dashboard. I have total team, 516 people who have subscribed, have joined through me. I didn't purchase any token, and these are the points I have. Total coins earned is 278,300, and then the coin I have from my quantum coin for mining is 5,005.12. Compare that with what I earned by referral, 278,000 compared with 5,005 is far apart. Now X365 is saying that if you buy you can buy now at 0.00452 per token, and then when they list or when they launch, it will be 0.0452. The date of the launching is not yet known. Now the individual is asking me that how can he keep mining. I want to show you. So this is my dashboard. Just scroll down, keep moving down, and just be looking for something. This is join now, buy now. That's not where you are. Now you can see mine now. So you click on mine now. When you click on mine now, it's going to bring you to this dashboard where you have claim balance. I've just recently claimed. This is the total I've claimed. 5,005 I've claimed to all total. So claim now, if I click this 3.4 will be added to 5,005, will become 5,008. As you can see now, this is 5,008. This 3 that was here before has moved to this place, and that is the total I've claimed. So this is total I just claimed now. This is what I claimed just now, and this total I've claimed 4,008. So that's how to claim. So if I click this again, this 0.03 will leave here and will come here. So that is that about that. So that is how you can claim. And then if you go down, there's nothing else down here. And then if you come up, this is it. So this is the quantum mining up. I think I'll be doing this maybe every 6 hours, every 4 hours, as the time permits you. Now I'm coming back to the dashboard. This is my dashboard again. I have 506 referral, 516 referral. Based on my referral, I have 278,300 coins. Then this is now the total of mine, 508. You know, before I went to mine, it was 505. So that is how it goes. So when you want to mine, you come down on your dashboard and you see mine now. So you click on mine now, and then it's going to bring you here. You see, just now that I left, it has mined 0.11. So if I claim again, this 5002 will change. 5012 may change again. So let me claim now. So you can see 5012, it has moved. What I've claimed has moved. And I claim again, claim again. As I'm claiming, this is increasing. So if I claim it, it's increasing. So if you go for a long time, maybe in like 6 hours and come back, what will be here will be a lot. Claim it. If you don't claim it, you'll be there. So you have to keep claiming, going there to claim. So they want you to visit the app at least once a day or thereabouts. I will talk to you in the next one. Have a good day.